A fashion different from the rest or advance women's sexual revolution? Hair removal of pubic hair has been treated as a necessity, an area of the body, genital, best seen without a hair. Is it true? Shaving hair has become a sexy fashion for many men and women. We have for you a list of reasons why, before shaving the whole body, think twice. 1. Irritation of the area. Either with a knife or with any chemicals such as wax, if you suffer from sensitive skin you may have irritation because the skin will be in direct contact with jeans or lace underwear. Better go to a specialist. 2. Sexually transmitted diseases. According to the study, since the boom of epilation, infections such as human papillomavirus have increased. One of the functions of pubic hair is stay away and protect from infection. 3. It is more comfortable. Oddly enough, experts say it is one of the ways to absorb shock, irritations and even skin friction with other people. 4. Psoriasis or eczema. When you have conditions like diabetes or skin disorder such as psoriasis, you should consult with your doctor, because if you do not choose the right method could aggravate your condition, frostbite, even a deadly infection. 5. In fact it is unhygienic. There are versions that indicate that leave the hair with the hair, it can have negative consequences, or talking odor of a dirty person. On the contrary, while you maintain a good cleaning, you not have any problems of hygiene. 6. Nest infections. Suppose you've shaved wrong or you have suffered irritation and your partner does not have hair, there is a risk, a breeding ground, as if any of us has an infection communicated to the other, because none has protection. 7. It is more tasty? It depends on your pleasure. All that is possible is that you feel more comfortable without being hairy and be more uninhibited with your guy, or that pleases him more than to see you like, but it depends on both. 8. Pheromones. The hair has the function of keeping the specific odor of the genital area of each person, so if I take away completely, pheromones goodbye when someone you like, you go faster. Pheromones are the essence of your sex. 9. Temperature. Pubic hair also allows your genital area is maintained at a good temperature, is the warmth that has the vulva and labia, which in turn creates a barrier that keeps the skin free from infections. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you.